click on the cash flow and choose the farm, and go to the yield, and the income, expense, you can get the expense, then summary, then the stocks and the report. You can export the yield, and you can select the dates, the last 30 days. You can see the yield from the last 30 days, and you can export it as a CSV file. If you click that, as you can see, as a CSV file downloaded. And you can import a CSV file, and you can add a yield manually. So let's add the yield manually. First enter the yield name. I'll put batch 0001 and the plot, pomegranate plot, and the date of the yield and the quantity of the yield. Select the kilograms or liters, then push that button when yield has included, and the quantity is 40 kilograms and the date November 4th. So you can see here all the details regarding the yield. And if you go to summary, you can click the dates you want in the last 30 days. There's this income, it's around 60,000. So if you go to stock, you can see all the available stock. Again, I'm going to yield, and the income, there's 20 kilograms of income. The quantity is 20 kilograms, amount is 50,000. So I'm going to add new income. It's from the batch that which I have created. I have put Achilles as my buyer, and I'm adding the date which the income was generated. So quantity is 100, it's units in kilogram, that means 100 kilograms, and the amount is 10,000. So 100,000. It's from pomegranate plot. So a new income is created. So after you go to the summary, you can see that the income is 150,000. And if you go to the expenses, you can, just like the income is created, you can create an expense. There are dynamic fields with the category you choose. So I'm choosing labor charge as my category. I'm date number 7, plot pomegranate, and the labor name Miller, and the wage type is monthly, and labor charge is 50,000. So I have selected the cash status as paid, and I'm adding it. So a new entry has been updated, and you can see now the profit is only 100,000. So that's it for the last week's. This is for the last week. And if I go to stock, you can see the balance available for each of the stocks available. And if I go to the report, I can get monthly data for each and every yield, income, expense, and also the wastage. Generate reporting for the monthly income. There I clicking graph view to easily understand how the income has gone. So I can select whatever the date range and the summary. If I click the monthly expense or the wastage, so here I'm going to click the monthly expense, and in the graph view you can see there are several points, and it shows every piece of data. You can export it as a thing, and the daily view, you can get the daily data. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you. We'll meet in another tutorial.